KAAC CEM Tuliram Ronghang visits Tumpreng, review COVID-19 preparedness in West Karbi Anglong. Torrential rainfall affects normal life in West Karbi Anglong, Kopili River overflowing on several locations. Half-long quarantine persons warned of escaping center, says facility in terrible condition. Hello viewers of Karbi Anglong Live, you are with Julie Bepi with the latest news of the day. Now the news in detail. The rise in COVID-19 cases in Assam does not seem to stop soon. More than 100 cases have been reported within 24 hours of filing of this report. Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma informed that COVID-19 positive cases have reported from all the 33 districts of the state. Out of total of 616 registered cases, 547 are still active, 62 have been discharged, whereas 4 persons have died of the virus. Almost all of the new cases reported so far are returnees. All of patients are now being treated at various hospitals. The Health Minister also informed that on Monday, 5 patients were discharged from the hospitals after they tested negative after multiple tests. On Tuesday, went to the Guwahati airport and the screening center to review the preparations and ongoing work as many passengers begin arriving. All passengers are being screened for COVID-19 and subsequently sent to their respective districts, either in public or private transport. News X report, Karbi Anglong Live. As returnees reach home districts, local residents are beginning to feel more concerned as infection in the state are mostly coming from these returnees. The sense of security among the people of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong are also slowly thinning as more and more returnees from the 2 districts have also fallen victim to the infection. After 1 patient quarantine at Priyanka Lodge, Bokajan was tested positive of COVID-19 on Monday. 2 other persons from Bokajan quarantine at Hotel Dhansiri were also tested positive on Tuesday. The 2 persons returned from Patna and Bangalore. With these 2 new cases, Karbi Anglong alone now has a total of 5, while West Karbi Anglong has 4 positive cases of COVID-19. Meanwhile, 23 persons from Karbi Anglong who returned home from Telangana and Tamil Nadu reached Dipu on Tuesday morning. They were taken to Dipu Medical College for health screening, after which they were taken to quarantine centers by the local administration. It may be mentioned here that more than 1,000 stranded persons from the 3 hill districts have returned home and are being kept in different quarantine centers in Guwahati and also in different places in the districts. Ananterang from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. A lot more coming up after this break. Stay with us. Protect your pigs from African swine fever. African swine fever is a viral disease of both domestic and wild pigs, which spreads quickly and kills most of the infected pigs. Humans are not affected by African swine fever. Sign and symptom: high fever, loss of appetite, depression, weakness, red, blotchy skin or skin lesions, vomiting, diarrhea, coughing or difficulty breathing, abortion, and sudden death. Prevention: no treatment and vaccine for African swine fever. Stop entry of visitors. Don't visit infected areas. Keep the pigs in enclosure. Separate the sick animals. Do not leave food in areas accessible to wild pigs. Dead animals should be buried scientifically. Use bleaching powder about 10 to 15 gram or liter for regular cleaning. Use potash for food bath and 0.01% solution, 1 gram or 10 liter for spray inside sty. Keep in constant touch with nearest veterinary doctor. For more information, contact District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Office, Karbi Anglong Dipu at 8790 536892. or 700-280-3658. MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelan, Dipu Manja Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong, where you'll get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items. Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live after the short break. Since Dima Hasao has recorded its first COVID positive in the district from a quarantine center in JNV, Sontila and Haflong Hotel in Haflong, the district administration has sealed off the area to prevent the outbreak into neighboring areas. Following the confirmation of the infection by the district administration, 100 meters radius of the centers has been declared as the core area and additional 200 meters areas as buffer area. In addition to this, the administration had sanitized the entire quarantine center in Haflong on Sunday. On Saturday, 6 returnees from Chennai and 1 from Tripura were tested for COVID-19 and were kept in quarantine center since their arrival. These persons were later brought to Haflong Civil Hospital for treatment. All the positive patients are of age group 22 to 26 and are in good health condition. Meanwhile, a video of JNV Shontila Quarantine Center had gone viral, in which the quarantine person alleged that the building in which they are being kept is filthy and not properly maintained. A quarantine person in the video also warned that they might run away from the center if authority failed to look into the matter at the earliest. Suraj Barman reporting from Haflong, Karbi Anglong Live. Heavy rainfall for the last few days has caused fear and concern among the people of West Karbi Anglong, especially among those living on the bank of Kopili River. At a time when the whole world is battling COVID-19 pandemic, the overflowing of Kopili River has added the woes and fear people of the West Karbi Anglong district following days of heavy rainfall. Due to the continuous rain, the water level of Kopili River is rising rapidly. Several houses in Lalmati, Kolongamuk, Hatimura, Mugasong, Baligaon, Taradubi, Namtaradubi, Gondabil, etc. of West Karbi Anglong has already begun to be submerged. Villagers fear that if it does not stop raining, more villages and areas will be inundated in the next few days, as the water in Kopili is already flowing above danger level. The people living on the banks of the river have sought for relief assistance in case they might be forced to move out for safety. Kabon Militi Sopi from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live. With the rise of COVID-19 cases in the district, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has also begun putting all the efforts to ensure that the virus is contained. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang on Tuesday visited Tumpreng to review the preparedness of West Karbi Anglong administration against the pandemic. The Autonomous Council Chief held a meeting with MP Horen Singbei, EMs, MACs, Deputy Commissioner, Superintendent of Police, Joint Director of Health Services and other officials of West Karbi Anglong within an effort to ensure that the entire treatment system is ready and in place. CEM Ronghang also attended an event of free distribution of seeds and agriculture equipments to farmers in Tumpreng under Bithung Rengthama constituency. In his short address to the farmers, he strongly emphasized on the need to give more priority to farming and agriculture. He said that agriculture is one of the most important means to make the district self-reliant. Altogether, 300 farmers received assistance from the KAAC today. Altogether, 300 farmers received assistance from the KAAC yesterday. Kabon Militi Sopi reporting from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.